Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another action figure unboxing video. You know the deal. I'm back. I've got 3 packages. I have a rough idea of what they are, but it's been so long I don't know exactly what it could be. So, without further ado, I'm going to get into it and crack these things open. Alright, getting into the first package here. Oh, and here we have the Build-A-Figure. Is there no Build-A-Figure piece? Okay, there's no Build-A-Figure piece. Oh, it's missing because I bought the second hand. But this is the Build-A-Figure Space Venom Hobgoblin. And you can see it comes with a classic hood and like a more demonic looking hood. Comes with the glider and a nice textured chainmail and a lot of creases and stuff in this suit. So this looks really good. There was a recent retro Hobgoblin that came out with the animated series style, and I really thought about getting it, but it didn't have the plaid like chainmail etched in, and I hate buying smooth figures. They seem so cheap to me. I would like when they add details, so I'm happy to have this guy. I'll do a review of that one soon. And let's get into figure number 2. Still got quite a few packages to get through. I'm going to try and film the next 3 unboxing videos before I move because I'm moving at the end of the month. So I'm trying to get this done. It's content for you guys as well as my regular review videos. Oh! I didn't think that's what this one was. It's awesome. It just barely fits in this box. That like really close, but this is awesome. So this is the 3-pack of the X-Men in the yellow and blue suits. I've got Gambit, Banshee, and Psylocke. So this looks really good. This 3-pack was the harder to get of the 2. Took a lot longer. I have the other one, but now I've completed this whole team of the yellow and blue because I've got this 3-pack, the other one, and the Wolverine in the matching suit. So that's awesome. I love completing series. I'll get that one on display shortly. And this last one is the largest. Let's see, which way is this open? Oh, I think it just is like a hinge here. That giant box was in a little one, and then this tiny package is in a huge box. I don't understand the packing sometimes. But this is another one I've been looking super forward to. I've got Gwen Stacy, or what do they call her when she's got her spider powers? Spider-Gwen. Jesus. It wasn't written on the package anywhere. Sorry, I was looking for hints, but it says Gwen Stacy everywhere. So this is the Into the Spider-Verse version, which is good because now I've got Miles, I've got her, and I've Gwen Stacy, and I've got Prowler. So that's really cool. She comes, of course, with Spider-Man, so I got an extra Spider-Man to add to the Ultimate Spider-Man shelf. Or I might split it off and diverge and do like an actual Into the Spider-Verse shelf now because I have so many of that series. But yeah, this was a really good haul. 2 Spider-Man figures, 1 X-Men 3-pack, and 1 Happy Steven. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button so you stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends coming from me. and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.